Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress plugins and tools with a spotlight on StellarWP. If you're a business owner or a content creator looking to take your WordPress site to the next level, you won't want to miss this. StellarWP is a powerhouse in the WordPress ecosystem, boasting over 2.5 million installs across its suite of solutions. That's right, millions of users trust StellarWP for their WordPress needs, and there's a good reason for that. First off, let's talk about the range of products they offer. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's functionality, improve its performance, or add new features, StellarWP has got you covered. Their lineup includes some of the most trusted names in the WordPress community, such as iThemes, the Events Calendar, and LearnDash. Let's break these down. iThemes. This is a go-to for security, backups, and maintenance. iThemes security is renowned for keeping sites safe from hacks and malware, giving you peace of mind. The Events Calendar. If you need to manage and promote events, this plugin is a game changer. It's perfect for businesses, nonprofits, and event organizers who need a reliable and user-friendly calendar system. LearnDash. For those of you in the e-learning space, LearnDash transforms your WordPress site into a powerful learning management system. It's used by major universities and entrepreneurs alike to create and sell courses online. Now, what really sets StellarWP apart is their commitment to empowering users. They don't just give you the tools and leave you to figure things out. Their support and community resources are top-notch. You get access to detailed documentation, active user forums, and responsive customer support. This means you can hit the ground running and troubleshoot any issues quickly. Another big plus is the seamless integration these plugins offer. They work beautifully within the WordPress environment, ensuring that you can easily incorporate them into your existing site without any hiccups. Plus, they're regularly updated to stay compatible with the latest WordPress versions and to include new features and improvements. Let's talk about performance. StellarWP products are optimized for speed and efficiency, ensuring that your site remains fast and responsive even as you add more features and functionality. This is crucial for maintaining a good user experience and for SEO. In summary, if you're serious about building a robust, secure, and feature-rich WordPress site, StellarWP solutions are a no-brainer. With their extensive range of plugins, top-tier support, and millions of satisfied users, they empower you to not just build a site, but to create a thriving online presence. So, go ahead and check out StellarWP. Whether you need to beef up your site's security, manage events, or launch an online course, they have the tools to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.